Emali town is a fast-growing town located along the Mombasa-Nairobi highway in Makueni County. It is christened the town that never sleeps due to its vibrant nightlife and is a favorite resting place for truck drivers ferrying goods from Mombasa port to inland destination. The town is inhabited by two communities, the Kamba and the Maasai.
Maka Emali stands for Maasai and Kamba. These are two communities living side by side. We have a total of 4 groups, 2 from Kajiado and 2 from Makueni.
The Maasai community are known for being pastoralists, with the young women known for their elaborate bead jewelry, while the Kamba, who are originally long-distance traders, are also known for their basket weaving and wood carving. In 2004, the two communities came together through the help of Child Fund, a non-governmental organization with the financial support from the New Zealand Government Aid Program, and formed a business venture called the Maka Emali.
We have witnessed seasonal and regular droughts in this area. When there is drought, normally productive assets such as livestock and crops get destroyed, and the community doesn't have proper ways of coping with it.
The Maasai beadwork is highly appreciated locally and internationally and comprises of beaded jewelry, clothes and sandals, which do well in the international market. Within the Maka Emali project, beading is the only way a talented Maasai woman with no other opportunities to pursue can utilize to make money and improve her living standards as well as that of her children.
Hapo awali wale wenzetu wa upande ile kama weavers walikuwa tu wanashona viondo zao na kuzibeba kwa soko. Na sisi tulikuwa tunashona zetu, then we decorate ourselves na tunatembea nazo. Hatukuwa na soko.
The Kamba women, on the other hand, are well known for their basket weaving prowess, while their men are known for their amazing wood carvings that have taken the world by storm.
Hivi sasa unapotuona hawa mama, kila mtu hapa sahi amejimudu at least kwa maisha yake. Hapo awali watoto hatungeweza kuwalipia school fees, hatungeweza kuwalipia kununulia vitabu, na tena hatungeweza kufanya chochote.
The Maka Emali brand products are not only sold locally in shops at the museums of Kenya and other high-end stores like the Serena hotels, but also abroad like the Eco outlets in New Zealand.
We have a market outlet in New Zealand, a group known as Eco, who have been championing the Maka cause. We have also had them participate in several exhibitions in New Zealand where they have been able to make a lot of sales.
The project also has a cultural preservation angle in that some of the skills that were slowly being eroded can now be passed on to young generation.
Tangu sasa tuanze kwa miaka 5 iliyopita sasa imepita, kama tumeanzia kugini yetu tumepata zaidi ya milioni 3.
The project dubbed Building Resilience for 2 drought-affected communities in Kenya is meant to help cushion these communities from persistent drought that plague these communities and help them turn their indigenous craftwork such as weaving and jewelry into high-end luxury goods to be sold at premium prices under the brand Maka Emali. Traditionally, the Maasai and the Kamba communities are known for their beadwork, wood carving and weaving. And now these two communities have come together here in Emali and formed this craft shop where they are selling their wares and even exporting some to New Zealand. Philip Keitan, KTN News.